Ah, such a beautiful day, Papyrus. Don't you think?
Yeah. Well, good news, it's after Halloween, so no demons.
Yup. And, it's also gonna be Thanksgiving soon.
Ooh, giving thanks?
Thanksgiving.
Yeah, giving thanks.
Okay. Hopefully nothing bad happens.
I highly doubt it. Right there, little guys.
So, should we tell them?
I think we should.
We are
The twin
tornadoes.
Wait, what?
Are you supposed to be a threat?
Yes?
Yeah, basically.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that couldn't just shut up now. I'm Darkrai.
And I'm Ninjoy.
Yeah. Basically, Angelry is like the angel of the twin team.
And she's supposed to be the demon of it.
But for some reason,
Our legs got messed up.
yeah. So now I have a golden top.
And now I have a black top.
Okay, this one actually looks pretty good on me.
Not me.
Yeah, you're right.
So, are you supposed to be a threat or anything?
Yeah, basically.
Okay, so, where's that potion to make you 20 times bigger to make you normal sized?
Hey, shut up!
Yeah, shut up.
We may be small,
But we are deadly.
so you better shut up right now.
Or we'll do the same thing we just did to your brother. What was that again?
This.
Okay. Jeez. I'll stop laughing at you. Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. You're welcome.
Hey, child.
Oh, yeah, my name is kind of hard to remember, so I can understand that. What?
Should do it anyway.
Yeah, we should. Oh, we play. Wait, no. Not the time, Kiki. Not the time.
Okay, bye, Kiki.
Oh, man. The bird always comes at the wrong time.
Speaking of that, it sounds like the song I'm about to play. Sound attack.
Whoop, whoop.
Oh, why did I get hurt? Because oh!
Yeah, exactly. That's why.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you better get back here. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh boy! I sound like Mickey, that's why I did that.
Hold on. Need to reset it. Sorry, I didn't choose a 1 hour version. You know what? I'm actually gonna do that right now. Cut. Loading, 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 loading. There we go. Oh, okay, let's continue.
We didn't realize we're playing Beyblades, right?
Yeah.
Ow, that's why it looks so familiar looking.
Oh boy! Oh no! Ah, brother! I fell apart!
You fell apart!
Oh, that's what you're gonna pay!
Which credit card could I even be approved for? Hey, smartphone, open.
Sorry. Ads, I hate them.
I'm sorry, Paul. Fix you after this.
Boom, 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 boom.
No! I fell apart!
No. Not. No.
No! Ugh. Stop!
What?
Time to get out of the way. Time to get to the real.
What? Oh! 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 Oh man, it's hard putting together a Beyblade with one hand.
Oh.
What the?
Oh. I'm much later now to do it. Now without the melting soul.
Whoa, what the? And then a bunch of dramatic stuff happened that I can't show on footage. But you can listen to it. No, you don't. Boom, 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 boom. What is that? Boom, 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 boom. That's it. I'm gonna. No, I'm nude. No. Why did you make me nude? Oh, now I have to put on my coat now. Ugh. Oh. Why? Why? You love Frisk.
You love Frisk. That's why.
Oh no, you don't! Boom, boom, boom. I do not love Frisk. Why? Why me? Why? Alternative ending. Oh, hold on. Alternative ending. Why did you do that to my brother? Oh, my face! My beautiful face! Oh! Die! Ah, it's so bright in here! Why is it so bright in here? It's even brighter! Oh no! It's bright! Ha! No, you can't even see me! No! Ugh! Then more stuff happened that I can't show. Oh! Oh! Die, bone, bone. That's it. I have no choice but to do this. Why did you take off my clothes? Because you love Frisk. Oh, that's it. You're gonna die. I'm dizzy, so dizzy. Very dizzy. I hate this. I'm so dizzy, I'm gonna die. Maybe. Oh wait, I'm regaining confidence of my dizziness. Ah, yes, that's what you get. Ah, my eyes, they still hurt. Oh yes. Oh, come on, they're red.